Why are my sent emails going into Drafts Outlook? If you're frustrated because your sent emails are ending up in your Drafts folder, you're not alone. Let's figure out what might be causing this issue and how you can fix it. First, it's important to understand that this problem can occur for a few different reasons. One possible cause is a setting called Undo Send. This feature is designed to give you a few seconds to edit or delete an email after you click the Send button. However, if this setting is enabled, it might temporarily place your email in the Drafts folder before sending it. To check if this is the issue, go to the web browser version of Outlook, navigate to View, View Settings, Mail, Compose and Reply, Undo Send, and make sure it's disabled. Another setting that could be causing this problem is the Automatically Save Items Not Sent After This Minute option. This setting can cause emails to be saved to the Drafts folder if they are not sent within a certain time frame. To disable this, go to File Options, Mail, Save Messages in the Outlook desktop app and uncheck this option. Some users have also reported that their emails are being moved to the Drafts folder due to an issue with the email client itself. For example, if Outlook is set to save drafts periodically, it might move your email to the Drafts folder even if you're still composing it. This can happen if the email client interprets your inactivity as a need to save the draft, even if you're still actively typing. In some cases, the problem might be more specific to your email account settings or the email client's behavior. For instance, if you're using an email account linked to a GoDaddy Office 365 Exchange account, you might encounter this issue due to how the account is configured. It's worth checking if the email is actually sent by looking at your sent folder and seeing if the recipient has replied to the email. To resolve the issue, you can try a few steps. First, ensure that the Undo Send and Automatically Save Items Not Sent After This Minute settings are disabled. If the problem persists, check if your email client is periodically saving drafts and adjust the settings accordingly. If you're still having trouble, it might be helpful to restart your email client or even your computer to see if that resolves the issue. Remember, if your emails are being sent successfully but still appearing in the Drafts folder, it's likely a matter of adjusting your settings rather than a problem with the email being delivered. By checking and adjusting these settings, you should be able to prevent your sent emails from ending up in the Drafts folder.